We're here with the Marina ADA Plus 2. It features a handicap accessible restroom, 2 private restrooms currently labeled as men's and women's, but you can change those out to suit your needs. It's got the lowering suspension on here, so you'll notice this trailer is all the way down on the ground. And that reduces the need for an extremely long ramp or big landings. It makes for a quick, easy setup. Each room will feature a sink, mirror, heater for comfort, and a Jets toilet. Normally we don't call out a specific brand, but this one is very unique. It is a Jets vacuum toilet system, and we're going to go around back and see the mechanics of it. On the back side of the unit features the utility connections. It does require 4 120 volt 30 amp plugs to operate the trailer completely. You've got your city water fill down here. As always, just one standard garden hose connection will supply the entire unit. And the sewer connection is located over here, and we'll talk about that a little bit more when we get into the jet system. Inside the mechanical room, again, we've got all of our switches, breakers in here. Everything is labeled very well, so you can see front stall, middle stall, rear stall. It should be labeled directly in front of you. You've got your Dometic thermostat here for your rooftop AC. You do have a wall mount heater in the service closet to help control that temperature for your 3-season. You've got a stereo in here. This unit also has a 100-gallon onboard fresh water tank with the pump located underneath. It is accessible.